Hi, I'm going to show you a quick little recipe, just a traditional pita wrap. We call it souvlaki. Now, souvlaki pita is a wrap which has a souvlaki in it. So same thing again, we're going to oil both sides of the bread on the hot grill. We've got our pork souvlaki on the grill ready to go. Our pita's ready. Remember, flat side down first. 1 spoonful of tzatziki, just through the middle. I like to put my meat straight onto the tzatziki first. Tomato, a little bit of diced Spanish onion, a special herb mix. Everyone's got their secrets. And then a few bits of parsley just to give it a little bit of freshness. Now, other people put some chips in there, but this is just your simple everyday souvlaki wrap. So we hold it together. We wrap it around there, turn it, we twist it, twist the bottom, and then fold it. And then you've got your souvlaki wrap.